Well, hello there. It's Brenda Knoll, and I just got this Liquitex Professional Heavy Body Acrylics in the Vibrance colors, and so I wanted to do a little review and demonstration painting. So I always like to start out by swatching the paints, and I put the black lines down because I forgot earlier. I like to see if they're going to be opaque. I'm shocked. I have to tell you, I'm so shocked by the Liquitex um, transparency. I don't remember Liquitex being this transparent when I used to paint in acrylics in the early 2000s. And yeah, it just seems weak and not really that as vibrant as I was expecting. So if you may or may not have watched my Golden So Flat Zing palette review, um, wasn't that impressed by it, but compared to the Liquitex, I'm very impressed. Although I'll have to figure out the cost for you. So this package with slightly less than an ounce of each color was about $20 on Amazon, where the Golden So Flat I got on sale for I think $42, but it's regularly around $50 for, and those are 2 ounce packages. So I don't know per ounce if it's the same or not. But here you see I'm swatching kind of around the color wheel and doing mixing opposite colors to see what kind of neutrals or how dark I can get the colors. The Golden So Flat Zinnia palette inspired me so much. I did a whole collection based on that palette. I'm not feeling that with this palette. And it could be that these just aren't my colors, I don't know. But I did want to swatch the colors here compared to the Golden Zing because they're both supposed to be like their vibrant palette, right? So on the top is this Liquitex paint that I'm reviewing, and on the bottom I'm swatching the comparable kind of color that coordinates with it in the Golden So Flat Zing palette. So this is like on top is Liquitex Vibrance palette, and on the bottom is Golden's So Flat. They call it Zing palette, but it's their Vibrance as well. So there's that. And so then I wanted to just do a demonstration painting, and struggling with this paint, it just didn't go very far, and it didn't cover very well. And that was kind of odd, and I feel like maybe I'm being super critical. I don't know, or maybe I should try the flow, the stuff. But actually, I think I'm just going to stick with. If I continue to buy acrylics, I'm going to stick with the golden probably, even though it's so hella expensive. I think it's probably worth it. So just off the fly, doing a composition here, which did not come out that great. I will tell you that. And also, I just didn't feel like I could make it work with this palette. I don't know. I'm just not crazy about it. I mean, the colors are vibrant, but they're not. I don't know, saturated enough is the word. They're too pastel-y, I guess, is the word I'm thinking of. I just feel like they're, but it doesn't, people probably like that. I don't know. I prefer more vibrant, saturated color. I don't, I could put white in my own color, That color is really pretty. And I did, after I did that review of Liquitex, I forget what that other palette was that I did, the mixing palette, I don't remember, but I did end up buying that Crimson Magenta because it's such a pretty color. Or quinacridone Crimson, that's what it is. It's Pigment Violet 19, a big bottle of it in the flow, and it's nice. So their pinks are pretty. And that yellow is pretty vibrant as well. So here I'm just, things work better when I plan them out in advance, but I didn't plan this out. I just did it. going for it. I knew I wanted, a yellow background. There's an artist I follow on Instagram that starts out with a yellow flat background, and you know, yellow is such a happy color, right? And then she goes from there, and it just kind of glows through. And so I've been wanting to kind of work with that and see how that played out for me. And I do like that, and I will continue that, but probably plan my painting in advance next time so that I have a better result. And then so whenever in doubt and don't like the painting, put a pattern in the background, and I love this pattern. So I tried to use just the Liquitex with the addition of black and white. Anyway, well, there you go. Thanks. Bye.